okay, is a tire, a tire, a tire? They all start looking alike. Did you see anything like this? I know it. Okay, they're not all alike, right? Cooper tires. Actually, they are very good. This one right here, you have to watch the video and see what's different about it. But it was designed for military applications. You can go over sand, you can go over bullets, you can shoot it and it will still go. But for now, you have to catch on the rest of the video.
Technology that you're going to see today is a critical part of Cooper's culture. When you hear about these amazing projects, I think you'll better appreciate the depth of our creativity and expertise that's helping bring new products to consumers, performance for enthusiasts. We're going to show you a line of tires that help save our armed forces' lives. Last but not least, we have a little project that takes the common dandelion from being an annoying weed to a potential alternative for natural rubber, which is a key ingredient for our tires. With that, I hope I have stimulated your curiosity, and without further comment, I'm going to introduce Chuck Yurkovich, who is our Vice President of Global Technology. Chuck?
Very excited to be able to talk to you about 4 new products and technologies that Cooper Tire is working on. The first of those is a technology that involves 2 great American companies working together with one goal in mind: saving lives of the American military personnel representing us around the world. This is a combination of effort by Resilient Technologies from Wausau, Wisconsin, and Cooper Tire from Findlay, Ohio. And we've entered into a JDA, a Joint Development Agreement, on a new and innovative airless military tire that we call the NPT. Now this is a unique honeycomb design that involves an optimized construction for stress durability and stress distribution, and it involves the use of special polymer materials. The tire tread and belt package involved in this concept provides excellent handling and traction. And as you can see, it operates in airless mode. It does not need a run flap to operate. It is designed to withstand gunfire and explosive damage, and it does provide maximum mobility in all types of terrains for our troops. Now this product is undergoing rigorous testing, which includes laboratory testing and on-vehicle testing using specially equipped vehicles and military Humvees. It's being evaluated on test tracks around the United States, on off-road courses where we're looking at severe rock crawl, sand, mud terrain, and on-highway applications. And there's a significant amount of materials testing and also ballistics testing going on in this product. You'll see later on in this video a shot of slow motion ballistics testing. Now the current Humvee run flat tire, the pneumatic tire that is in service on the Humvees, has a requirement to run 30 miles at 30 miles per hour after it's been damaged in gunfire or an explosive device. The new NPT that we're working on with Resilient has better mobility, range, functionality, and reliability. From a mobility standpoint, it can operate at speeds up to 75 miles per hour after an explosive event. From range, it will not be limited to 30 miles. It can return to base wherever that is without having to change the tire. From a functionality standpoint, it will not suffer from handling issues that are associated with the use of current run-flat insert tires. And from a reliability standpoint, there will be no need to stop in a battle zone after damage has been done to the tire, putting our people at risk. From a maintenance, there is no need to monitor inflation, and it will be easier to install than current Humvee run-flat tires. Other operational requirements for this product include performance that exceeds the current Humvee tires from a ride quality, from a durability, from a load capacity standpoint, and the capability to withstand operational temperature and condition requirements that are unique for military application. This product will weigh equal to or less than the current Humvee tire. Now, as far as program timing for development of the NPT, Resilient is currently working on a 4-year prototype development contract with the Department of Defense, and this product will be fully tested and ready to go in December of 2011. Now, our next product takes a plant that we consider to be a normal nuisance in our lives, the common dandelion, and turns that into a valuable source of alternative natural rubber. Natural rubber is a critical resource for the tire industry, the overall U.S. economy, and even for the military. North America today consumes about 3 billion pounds of natural rubber per year, and 70% of that material is used in tires, and it's all imported from offshore. By the year 2020, it's estimated that a 15% shortage of natural rubber will exist worldwide, and that will be accompanied by significant price increases to users and to customers. Rubber crops are also susceptible to damage and disease that could lead to even greater shortage. Now, we're working with an organization called SEMA. That's short for the Program of Excellence in Natural Rubber Alternatives. Long word, but it's a group that's created to address these kind of concerns for the industry. It's centered at the Ohio State University Research Foundation, and it works in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Oregon State University, University of Akron, Ohio Bioproducts Innovation Center, the Ohio Agricultural Research Development Center, and Vance Technologies. And Cooper is working with this group to develop a good alternative source of natural rubber by using this Russian dandelion that we call TKS. Now, as a part of the program, TKS crops are being developed for enhanced adaptability in different types of climate and high natural rubber content. Cooper, as part of the program, is responsible for assessing the molecular structure of the TKS materials in the lab, assessing the compound properties of the material that are produced from the plant, and then conducting extensive testing on both the natural rubber that's produced and tires that are built using the natural rubber. We'll be doing a lot of testing as far as traction, durability, rolling resistance, and tread wear as we move forward. In initial testing, TKS looks very good. It produces a form of natural rubber that is equivalent to some of the materials that we use in our tires today. And work continues to develop this alternative source of natural rubber. So what are the program deliverables? First of all, 20 tons per year produced by a pilot plant by the year 2011. And Cooper will have a significant amount of this material before it is fully commercialized. When it is, we expect to be able to offset 30% of the material that is brought in from offshore sources today. That will take place by 2024. Great application for American technology, green technology, and it will create jobs in the United States. Now, we're also very pleased to talk about a new product. It's the tire that's over to my right called the Cooper GFE. This is a new fuel-efficient touring tire from Cooper, and it will be produced and introduced into the market in the summer of 2009 in size ranges that fit many of today's fuel-efficient vehicles. Now, the Cooper GFE uses green compound technology. It will be a very fuel-efficient product. We'll have a rolling resistance level that's 21% lower than our current GLS product, and it is a long-wearing tire. It will be rated at 60,000 miles from a tread wear warranty standpoint and will deliver improved traction versus existing products. Now, let's take a look at the tread design and talk about some of the features that go with this product. It has an optimized tread design with tapered slots, lateral slots across the major ribs in the design to provide all-weather traction and quiet ride. It also has some unique three-dimensional sights. We'll talk a little bit more about those on the next chart, but they do provide increased traction as the tire wears, and wide circumferential grooves to resist hydroplaning. Now, if we look at the design here, the original design is on the left-hand side of the page. You can see a fairly healthy amount of typing in this design. As the tire wears, it turns into the configuration on the right-hand side of the page with a 3D zigzag pattern that actually increases the length of the sights that help from a traction standpoint as the tire wears. That's a very good level of performance improvement that we'll see.